Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play Roblox but I'm getting this connection error where it says can't connect to authentication servers. Please restart the app and try again later. So what's really going on with the Roblox and why you can't able to access it? Let's check it out all the latest update, what Roblox has to say, and is there any fix? I will show you all the important details, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so check this out. I was checking out onto the down detector and as of right now I'm doing this video, instantly we got 437 outage reports. That means it's a serious issue going on with the Roblox, particularly the server connection and login related issue. Now, what's really going on? Let me show you. What the thing is happening, I can't able to play Roblox. Oh my god, whole internet just got hacked. Well, actually that's not the case, but Roblox isn't working as at least. Roblox getting weird. I have a problem with the Roblox app suddenly leaving on its own. So definitely guys, there are tons and tons of people reporting these kind of issues. And in fact, let me show you onto the Twitter so you can see for yourself whether this error is global or just occurring to you. Here you can see this fellow says 11 minutes ago it's down. Roblox is down. 18 minutes ago is Roblox down right now. So one thing for sure we can confirm, Roblox isn't working at least for some of the people. Now here is the thing about the Roblox connection error guys. This error is kind of a frequently occurring error and you get this probably many times, but the thing is to solve this error there is a one simple little fix. First thing first, you need to check your internet connection. Let's say if your Wi-Fi is turned off, if you got your router turned off, anything of such kind, if your network is not working then it will not work and throw out you this particular error. Now here's the thing, let's say if your internet connection is active, pretty much good one. Now to check out the latest details from the Roblox, I have checked out the Roblox Co-op Twitter official page, but you can see guys, these tweets are kind of a protected, so unfortunately there is no update right from them. So unfortunately all we have to do is wait till the servers get fixed up, and once I get any latest update I will keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.